Arrange corner brackets, perimeter poles, and connectors in the general configuration of the tent. Begin assembly of the frame by inserting the perimeter poles into the corner brackets and ensure that the snap pins lock into place. Move to the intermediate brackets and repeat the procedure until the perimeter framework is assembled. Insert hip poles into corner brackets at all 4 corners. Insert the intermediate poles into the intermediate brackets at all 4 center points. All hip and intermediate poles should be installed with open end towards the sky. Install the crown cluster bracket by inserting a hip pole first and then insert one at a time around the bracket. Lay the roof over the frame and over the peak, making sure the top aligns with the corner brackets. Lift one 20-foot side of the tent and install the corner legs and then the intermediate leg. Bring the Y straps through the metal rings on each of the tent top valances and secure the looped ends of the Y straps into the carabiner. Attach the bottom of the tent top straps to the legs of the tent by inserting the hook into the hole at the bottom of the legs and tighten with the ratchet. Install the remaining 2 corner legs, the same way as the first 2 legs. Install the remaining intermediate poles. Fold any extra straps into the Velcro pockets on the tent legs. Velcro the corners of the tent closed. Drive the stakes into the ground 5 feet out from the corner legs. Take the 3-foot ground stake and wrap the loop strap around the head of the stake twice. And ratchet the strap to tighten.